Alright guys, it's windy as shit out here, but I'm here with another Kijiji free score. Yesterday I picked this up. The kid just wanted to get rid of it, so he was giving it away. He had the carb off. Hopefully you can hear me over the wind and the highway. Got the highway going on right there, and I'm at the old abandoned house that I broke into or whatever. But anyway, back to the bike. Here it is here. The carb was off. The carb's now been cleaned. Had to replace the tube in the back tire. And let's go ahead and try to get it started. It might take a few kicks, but let's see how we make out. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, there she goes. She wants to fire. Yeah, baby. Shizzle and nizzle. It actually fired right up. Like, we already knew it would, but we haven't rode it yet. So, let's see how it goes. We'll let it warm up and I'll come right back. So it still wants to be choked out. I think maybe it's got to warm up really good, but it's got some busted shit on it, but whatever. Might take a little bit of playing with. So it's wanting to have the choke left on. Don't worry, she's gonna go. For the price of free, it damn well better, or I want a refund. Yeah, it better run, that's right, or I want my money back. I paid like 12 bucks for the tube. I'd be pissed. There you have it, guys. Oh, she's awesome. Just want to point out while he's gone, oh, how sexy is my new truck. I fucking love it. Yeah, tinted the tail lights, put the wheels on. I know not everyone's digging the wheels, but I don't know. I might swap them out for off-road wheels yet. Who knows? But I gotta kill this video, guys. I'm gonna run out of free space on my phone. I don't know, I've got 32 gigs used up of a lot of bullshit. So thanks for watching. Click the like button and check out kijiji.ca.